Hey guys, welcome to a tutorial on how to make this quick habit tracker in Notion. I will show you how to create it step by step, but this template is also available for free if you don't want to make it from scratch, and I will leave a link in the description. Let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is create a new page in your Notion. So this page can be located anywhere, and we're gonna name it Habit Tracker. We're also going to do some styling before we create the database. So I'm going to set it to full width, small text, and you can change the font if you want. I'm going to keep it default. I'm also going to set a cover. I created one in Canva, but you can also use one of the preset options. And we can also set an icon. I'm going to use a plant icon to represent this template. Since we're not going to use comments, I'm also going to disable that. Let's create the habit tracker database. You can make it inline or full page. I'm going to go with inline. You can remove the tags because we're not going to use it. And now we're going to create a few checkboxes, and each checkbox is going to represent a habit. So let's say habit 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna need a formula. This formula is going to represent the progress. And I will also create a date property. For the name, we can put daily habits. Let's set the date for today. Now we can edit the formula. I will also leave it in the description so that you can copy it. So we want the property to show up as a number, and we want to see it as a bar. You could also use the ring. We're going to divide by the number of habits that we have. In this case, it's 3. When you go to use this habit tracker, make sure to rename the habits. So for example, you can say reading, workout, or whatever habits that you're trying to build. And you also have to change the formula. So here you would just select the correct properties. Okay, so now when we check, you can see the progress increases. Let's hide the name of the database. And we're going to create a new view. This is going to be a gallery view. For card preview, select none. The card size is large, and also disable the database title. In our case, we want to be able to check the habits, and we want to see the progress. In order to have a new card appear automatically every day, we have to create a new template. So this is going to be daily habits. And set the date for today. Now, to make it appear automatically, set this as default, and you have to put repeat every day and save. Now, every day when you come back to the tracker, you will be able to see a new daily habits card for that day. I will create some example days for the month of March. This will be our daily view, so let's rename it. And since it's the daily view, let's filter for today. Now let's duplicate this view to create a monthly view. The only difference is that we're going to set the filter to this month. For this one, I would also recommend showing the date in the card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you don't want to build this template from scratch, you can duplicate it for free. I will leave the link in the description. See you next time!